Namaskar. Henry Kenley quotes, if we do not voluntarily bring population control for next 1 or 2 decades, the nature will do it for us in the most brutal way, whether we like it or not. Real population is not population explosion, but the population what is doing, well said by Rananand Swami. On July 11th, every year is an event which is celebrated as World Population Day. You may not be knowing of that day, but it has been celebrated for almost 3 decades. The aim of this event is to focus on the world's importance, on the importance of the growing population issues. This event was established and organized by the governing nation of the United Nations Development in 1989. The world's population is estimated to be 7.4 billion as of March 2016. We have top 5 most populated countries like China, India, USA, Indonesia, and Brazil. This way, the multiply of the world's population will be more rapidly than the available food supply. So today, our students, through PowerPoint presentation, poetry recitation, and speech, will bring attention of mass people to work together on the growing issues of the growing population. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Your speech is not just information, it's a warning to mankind that we need to take concrete steps to control this growing population. Well, let's continue with our program. Our student Jyotika Devendran from Standard 8 is going to recite a poetry on population.
Namaste, I am Jyotika Devendra from Standard 8A. I am going to recite a poem on population control. Overpopulation, we're all gonna die. No solutions or answers. Why? Diseases and famine, disasters and death. Facing the day when there's nothing left. Natural disasters, thousands will die. The world's population continues to thrive, consuming our resources, destroying the land. Earth's worst enemy has always been man. More technology, life continues to expand. Extinction is upon us unless there's a plan. What is our future? How long can we last? Devastating destruction, the die has been cast. We can't look back cause yesterday is gone. Choices we made, they all streamed wrong. Everyone's talking but nothing gets done. The war's been waged but nobody has won. We risen to a level now we all must fall. The warnings were there but nobody saw. We are gonna punished, just give it time. The world is gone, we crossed the line. The world is gone, we crossed the line. Thank you.
Very nice poetry. Next, we have our little girl Bushra Patel from Standard 6. She will also recite a poetry in Hindi. Her poetry focuses on the problems we are facing due to overpopulation. So here comes Bushra.
मैं बुशरा पटेल आपके सामने एक कविता प्रस्तुत करती हूँ। समस्याएं हैं बहुत सारी आपकी और हमारी। जनसंख्या वृद्धि की वजह से बढ़ रही है बेरोजगारी। देश में भ्रष्टाचार और मक्कारी है। अच्छा चल रहा काम सरकारी है। मज़े ले रहे नेता और अधिकारी है। इस महान देश की क्या लाचारी है। जनसंख्या वृद्धि एक समस्या है पर सभी इस पर मौन है। आप किससे उम्मीद लगा रहे हैं? आखिर ये लोग कौन हैं? धर्म रक्षा और युद्ध के नाम पर जनसंख्या बढ़ा रहे हैं। क्या आपको पता है पढ़े लिखे लोग ये पाठ पढ़ा रहे हैं? नेता के नाम पर कुछ अजीब लोग हैं जिन्हें हर मुद्दे पर विरोध करना है। उनका लक्ष्य सिर्फ इतना है कि अंत में उन्हें भी एक नेता बनना है। जन जन को जागरूक होना होगा। जनसंख्या नियंत्रण का कानून लाना होगा। अच्छी शिक्षा, स्वास्थ्य और सुरक्षा हर जन के लिए सुनिश्चित करना होगा। हर युवा को अपनी सोच बदलना होगा। हर युवा को ये देश बदलना होगा। जय हिंद, जय भारत। धन्यवाद।
बहुत अच्छे बुशरा। इस कविता के माध्यम से जो तुम्हारे मन की भावना है, जो तुम हम तक पहुंचाना चाहती थी, वो तुम्हारे आंखों द्वारा पूरी तरह स्पष्ट हुई है। Rapid population growth leads to environmental changes, overuse of natural resources, increase in waste generation, unemployment, poverty, and many more. Today, our student Sargam Bhalekar from Standard 9 is going to deliver a speech on the ill effects of population explosion.
Namaste. My name is Sargam Sunil Bhalekar. I am from 9th B and I am going to say a few words on population. Population refers to the total number of human beings in a particular area. Population helps us to get an estimate of the numbers of human beings in a country and how to act accordingly. For instance, if we know a particular population of a country, we can estimate the number of resources it needs. Similarly, we can do the same for the animals. In particular, the third world countries suffers the most from population explosion. As it is the resource, they are limited and ever increasing population just makes it worse. On the other hand, there is a problem of low population in many regions. India population crisis. India faces a major population crisis due to growing of population. If we were to estimate, we can say that almost 70% of the population of the world lives in India alone. India ranks second in the list of most populated countries. Furthermore, India is also one of the countries with low literacy rates. This factor contributes largely to the population explosion. It is usually seen that illiterate and poor classes have greater number of children. This happens mainly because they do not have sufficient knowledge about birth control methods. In addition, more people in family are equals to more helping hands. This means that there are better chances of earning. Moreover, we see how these classes practice early marriage. This makes it one of the major reasons of population explosion. People marry off their daughter to men way older than them for money or to get free from the responsibility. As India faces a shortage of resources, the population crisis just adds on to the problem. It is quite hard for every citizen to get an equal share of resources. This makes the poor poorer and the rich richer. Impact of population explosion. The human population explosion not only affects humans but also our environment and wildlife. We have seen so many species of birds and animals go extinct because of various factors. As more population requires more resources, deforestation is happening at a faster rate, which takes away the homes of these animals. Similarly, their habitat is also being destroyed because of human activities. Subsequently, pollution levels are on the rise because of population explosion. As more and more humans are purchasing automobiles, our air is getting polluted. These industries pollute our water and land, degrading and harming our quality of life. In addition, our climate is also facing a drastic change because of human activities. In other words, man only thinks about his well-being and becomes selfish. He overlooks the impact he is creating on our surroundings. If the population rate continues to rise at this rate, then we won't be able to survive for long. Therefore, we must take measures to control the population. Thank you.
Thank you, Sargam, for making us aware of the facts and ill effects of growing population. अब आपके सामने बढ़ती हुई जनसंख्या के कारण किस प्रकार प्रकृति का दोहन हो रहा है, उस भाव को कविता द्वारा प्रस्तुत करने आ रहे हैं कक्षा 8वीं के छात्र ज्ञानेश्वर यादव।
Namaste. I Ganeshwar Mukesh Yadav today going to recite a poem related to the issues on population in Hindi. वो पेड़ बेरहमी से काट रहे थे, वो पेड़ बेरहमी से काट रहे थे, सड़कें बनानी थी, पटरियां बिछानी थी, वह इंसान तादाद में बढ़ रहे थे और जंगल सिकुड़ रहे थे। वो इंसान झुंडों में बस रहा था, ऊंचे ऊंचे इमारतों को रच रहा था। प्रदूषण ध्वंस भीषण उगल रहा था और हिमालय का गौरव पिघल रहा था। आबादी के बसने की उहापों में कहीं का जनजीवन उजड़ रहा था। बेघर निर्दोष जानवर भूख प्यास से भाग रहे थे, वो पेड़ बेरहमी से काट रहे थे। उन इंसानों को बसना जरूरी था वहाँ, इंसानियत लेकिन विलुप्त थी बस्तियों में वहाँ। लकड़ियों का कारोबार चल रहा था, उनके जात के रखवाले वहाँ कौन थे? न तो वे हिंदू न मुसलमान थे। उनके प्राणों का मोल नहीं था क्योंकि वे वृक्ष मौन थे, तो शावक भी उन मनुष्य की दहशत से कांप रहे थे। वो पेड़ बेरहमी से काट रहे थे। धन्यवाद।
बहुत अच्छे ज्ञानेश्वर, धन्यवाद। Now I request our principal of VP Vidyanidhi High School and Junior College of Science, Srimati Priyanka Rajani ma'am, to share her views on this occasion of World Population Day.
Namaskar. According to UNESCO, population education is an educational program which provides for a study of population situation of the family, the community, nation, and the world, with the purpose of instilling in the student a rational and responsible attitude and behavior towards that situation. The theme for this year is based on safeguarding the health and rights of women and girls around the world, especially during the time of COVID-19 pandemic. It is needless to say that we recognize population explosion as an alarming threat to mankind. As far as the education of our young kids is concerned, the education department is doing its best to assimilate this topic in the school curriculum. Children will inherit our world. We wouldn't want them to commit the same mistakes which our generation and our predecessors committed. Therefore, it is imperative to educate them by making them aware of the pitfalls of overpopulation. One positive attempt to inculcate the severity of overpopulation in the students is the inclusion of population education teachers project in the biggest educational event of the year, the ward and zonal level science exhibition. Vidyanidhi High School English Medium and Junior College of Science has been participating in this category every year. The teachers project is actually a teaching aid used to teach this delicate topic. This just goes to show our sincerity to create awareness about this crisis. Over the years, our school has bagged prizes in this category. It is my proud privilege to mention here that these prizes at the ward level science exhibition KP West Ward have made it possible to win the best school trophy 5 years in a row. For the presentation of projects in population education, I acknowledge the efforts of faculty, Arti Adhyapak, Sita Pal, and Kanchan Shinde for the junior category, and Shailesh Sutar and Durga Sawant for the senior category. Our students also participate in various intra-school activities and competitions with respect to population education. Here we have a PowerPoint presentation to give you a glimpse of the various activities and achievements by our teachers and students. We at Vidyanidhi Educational Complex strive to develop and maintain a sensitive approach and teach our children the importance of restricting population growth through effective measures. Let us hope for a future with reduced poverty and hunger, along with a more democratic distribution of development of our country, India. Thank you.
There comes a time when we heed a certain call, when the world must come together as one. There are people dying. Oh, when it's time to lend a hand to life, the greatest gift of all. We can't go on pretending day by day that someone somewhere will soon make a change. We all a part of God's great big family, and the truth, you know, love is all we need. We are the children. We are the ones who make a brighter day. So let's start giving.
There's a choice we're making. We're saving our own lives. It's true, we make a better day, just you and me. Well, send them your heart so they know that someone cares, and their lives
Will be stronger and free, as God has shown us by turning stone to bread. And so we all must lend a helping hand. We are the world. We are the children. We are the ones to make a brighter day. So let's start giving. Oh, there's a choice we're making. We're saving our lives. It's true, we make a better day, just you and me.
when you're down and out, there seems no hope at all.
But if you just believe, there's nowhere we can fall.
Well, let's realize, oh, that a change can only come when we
Stand together as one. We are the children. We are the ones who make a brighter day. So let's start giving.
That was so amazing. It just felt so good going down the memory lane. I can't believe I was a part of all of this. We just took a peep into the various activities organized by our school every year. This year, in spite of the lockdown and the constraints of online school, we still decided to continue with our annual activities. The United Nations Development Programme has declared July 11th as the World Population Day to create an awareness about global population issues. Every year, United Nations decides a theme like health of mothers and babies, children's rights, gender equality, socio-economic effects of population, etc. Even our Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi, in his speech on the occasion of Independence Day last year, expressed his concern over population explosion in our country. He also added that it causes new challenges for the coming generations. He also asserted that the central and the state governments should launch measures to deal with this issue. As a geography teacher, it sometimes gets tricky to teach this topic of population to the kids. How much information to be given to the children is our main question, our main concern. But at the same time, it is equally necessary to sensitize our students about the evils of population explosion. We at Vidyanidhi High School English Medium wish to sow the seeds of awareness, perception, and resolution in our students so that they become responsible young citizens of the world tomorrow. Thank you.